Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on repairing the MSI Tiger motherboard. Today, we're going to walk through each step of the process, ensuring you have a clear understanding of what to do. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a precision screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Start by removing the screws on the back of the motherboard. There are typically 8 to 12 screws, depending on the model. Use your precision screwdriver to carefully take them out, placing them in a small container to keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard from the case. If it's stuck, double-check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Next, let's focus on the internal components. Inspect the capacitors and solder joints for any signs of damage or corrosion. If you notice any issues, you may need to use a soldering iron for repairs. Ensure you're wearing your anti-static wrist strap during this process to avoid damaging sensitive parts. If you find dust or debris, use a can of compressed air to clean the motherboard. Be sure to hold the can upright and keep a safe distance to avoid moisture buildup. If you don't have the tools or the time to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once cleaned, reapply thermal paste to the CPU area if necessary. This ensures proper heat transfer. Make sure to spread a small amount evenly across the surface, too much can cause overheating. Now, let's reassemble the motherboard. Align it carefully in the case and replace the screws, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the board. After reassembly, connect all cables and components back to the motherboard. Double-check each connection to ensure everything is secure. If at any point you feel unsure, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help guide you through the process. Once everything is connected, power up the system to test your repair. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out and request a quote before repair. We aim to make this process as seamless as possible, so remember, no calls, no travel, just straightforward service at your doorstep. That's it. You've successfully repaired your MSI Tiger motherboard. With the right tools and careful attention to detail, you can tackle these repairs confidently. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.